The first one, the natural logarithms. So what are these logarithms? With a base of E are called as natural logarithms with a base of E. Then here, how do we represent? We represent like this, or we can also call it as, or simple log x to the base C, this one. Then we have common logarithms. Logarithms with a base of 10. So log x to the base 10. We do right here. So if you get ln x, is it to the base C. If you write log x, it's to the base 10. Then binary logarithms. Logarithms with the base of 2. So this will be log 2 to the base x, log x to the base 2. So this is widely used in digital electronics. So this logarithm, this one. Okay, this is used in mathematics. This is what we prefer in physics. Okay, now you can ask question like this in digital, like a digital electronics, like what all you can say, like a chips, electronic chips, computers, all computers, mobiles, microcontrollers. There will be preferring this one. This is what used in mathematics. So this is what physics. Why that E again? Again, the E represents what? Like it will just the most of the physical quantities that do vary with the time or with position, they will vary exponentially, either increasing or decreasing. That's why this will be widely used in the physics. Let's take the next, the product rule. So let me start like this. I'm trying to derive certain identities, logarithmic identities. So e to power of log xy. So the should be equal to xy only. So we know log e to the base c should be equal to 1, or e to power of log a should be equal to a. Okay, now this is like a e to power of log xy. E to power of log xy, what is the expansion of this? Will be e to power of log xy. This will become e to power of log x. E to power of log x. So shall we write it as like a, this is like a log x plus log y. Oh, sorry. I think I just made there's a product of two numbers, no? So therefore e to power of log x into e to power of log y. From where, no, this is not the expansion of this one x. I can write it as, I think you are getting confusion. No problem. And then similarly, in place of y, I'm writing here now. because e to power of log a will be equal to a. So therefore x I can write as e to power of log x. So e and log will cancel out. So I'll get back the x here. Similarly, e and log will get cancelled. I'll get back that xy. And then the further, this can we compare this one now? This e to power of a into e to power of b. So can be written as e to power of log x plus log y. Taking log on both sides. Log get cancels. So here this will be log of xy into log e, shall we write it? Because the power log xy should be equal to log e. And this will become log x plus log y log e to the base e should be equal to 1. Log e to the base e, this should also be equal to 1. So finally, what do we end up? Oh, this is log xy. Sorry. Yeah. No. So finally, what is the result now? So log of xy equal to log x plus log y. So log ab is equal to log of a plus b. Similarly, let's go for the quotient rule. X by y equal to x by y. Let me take e to power of log of x by y equal to x by y. This further e to power of log x by e to power of log y. This further re-simplification of this is equal to e to power of log x into e to power of minus log y. So this will get simplified as e to power of log x minus log y. Taking log on both sides, log of e to power of log x by y is equal to log of e to power of log x minus log y. So the log, the expansion of this will be log of x by y log e. Then this will be e to power of log x then only sorry, this is log x minus log y is equal to log of e. So log e to the base e, that will be 1. Log e to the base e should be equal to 1. So finally, what we ended up, log of x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So what we did, the division we are converted into the subtraction. There's a use of the logarithm. After the power rule. So what is the power rule says? Okay, the next one, the power rule. Suppose it's like log of x log x to the log x to the power a. This is, so this you can write it as log a into log x to the base c, log x to the power a to the base c. So you can write it as a into log x to the base c. Not only this, it can be any other. So let me do one thing to any base. This is called like a power rule, which will be widely using this one. Okay, after this, the log of 1 by x. Log of 1 by x, we can write it as log 1 minus log a. Log 1 will be 0. So therefore, log of 1 by x, what you can write? Minus of log x. Then if the root rule is there, power rule is what we have seen. So if there is a root like log b to the power of log of root x, that one. So it's like a this particular power, let it be c, this one. So then this will become log x to power of 1 by c. It can be anything now. C, if it is a 2, it will become square root. If it is a 3, it will become cube root. If it is a c equal to 4, it will become fourth root. Then further, this expansion will be log or we'll write it as log x to the base b by c. All these are the identities which will be using in the logarithms. Next, change of base, something one which is very important. So change of base here. Suppose say x is equal to x, shall we write it as x equal to b log b. Sorry, this one. Let x equal to x, will write it. This x, can I write it as b to the power of log b to the power of x, because log b and this will cancel out. So again, I'll get back the x only. Then let me take log to the base k on both the sides. So then this will become b log x to the base b. The LHS as it is, log x to the base k. This what we can write it as. The whole bracket term, I can write it as log b. So this is b to the power of log x to the base b it is. So this I'll rearrange like this. So it will be very easy for you to see the thing. Okay, no? No, this will become log x to the base c into product of log b to the base k. This I'll send on this side. Further, log k to the base x by log k to the base b is equal to log b to the base x. K can be anything, any value. It need not be, it should be this particular thing only. So what is the condition for k? K should be greater than 0. K should not be equal to 1. So the formula will be log x to the base b. You can convert it to any base. You can convert this into any base. K can be 2, sir. K 2, 3, 4, 5. It's left to you. You can convert it to any base. What is the advantage of this? So suppose let's proceed here like. how to simplify log x to the base 4. We'll take one example.